Good morning, student. Today our topic is the van der Waal equation of state. Very important article है, पेपर में आता है. The perfect gas equation, that is PV is equal to RT, is inaccurate to describe the behavior of the real gases on account of the finite size of the molecules and presence of the intermolecular attraction. Van der Waal, in the light of these facts, modified the perfect gas equation to describe the behavior of the real gases. His equation has not only the merit of the simplicity but also the general applicability over a wider range of the pressure and to larger number of gases. Correction applied to the van der Waal for finite size of molecules and intermolecules attractions are follows. फर्स्ट क्या है, correction for the finite size of the molecules. ठीक है, as the gas molecules have the finite size, they occupy the space, so actual space available for their movement is less than the observed volume V of the container. So therefore volume V in the equation of the state be written as V minus B, where B is the constant for 1 mole of the gas. The ideal gas equation has corrected for molecular size. So P into V minus V is equal to RT. That equation is 3.25. The reduction in the effective volume of the gas is called the co-volume from the equation 3.25, and it is clear that the effect of the co-volume B is to increase the observed pressure. Now second is the correction for the intermolecular attraction. Any molecule such A situated in the interior of the gas attracted by the molecules in all the direction. ये हमारे पास फिगर है. The net cohesive force acting on it 0, but the molecule such as B close to wall of the vessels is pulled inward by the molecules within this sphere influence, because where the component of forces acting on it and parallel to the surface of the wall all the balance each other. Those at the right angles to it do not balance but exert a resultant inward pull. This inward pull acting normally to the walls of the container vessels bring a reduction in the velocity and so momentum of the molecules as they approach and impinging upon the wall of vessels. The rate of change of the momentum at the wall and hence the pressure exerted on it. So less than it would be in the absence of the intermolecular force. The decrease in the pressure is proportional क्या है, number of attracting molecules per unit volume. Second, the number of attracted molecules trying per unit area of the wall of container per unit time. Both these factors depend upon the number of the molecules per unit volume or a density rho of the gas. Decrease in pressure, P is directly proportional to the rho square, directly proportional to 1 upon V square, or a P is equal to A upon V square. That equation is 3.26. A is constant and V is the volume of the gas. Real pressure is equal to capital P plus small p is equal to P plus A upon V square, where P is the observed pressure. So replacing the P by P plus A upon V square and the V by V minus B in the perfect gas equation obtain, that is the P plus A upon V square V minus V is equal to RT, which is the van der Waal equation of state for real gas. The values of the constant A and B are different for the different gases, and moreover their values depend upon the pressure, depend upon the temperature and the volume of the gas too. ये van der Waal equation है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल है, पेपर में पूछा जाता है. इसे आप अच्छे से स्टडी करना. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.